everybody, this is Karen from Sailing Vessel Harmony with a whale of a story from our recent trip out to Baltimore Canyon. We sailed from the harbor in Lewes, Delaware, 75 miles out to the edge of the continental shelf and the deep water of the Baltimore Canyon. We made this trip to try and catch some tilefish. Bill was successful.
I got him!
We added a bounty of the best tasting fish in the ocean to our freezer. While we were fishing, we were surrounded by a pod of dolphin. Playful and inquisitive, the group included a mom and baby. There was a new kind of dolphin for us. We have seen bottlenose dolphin, spotted dolphin, and common dolphin, but this was our first confirmed sighting of striped dolphin. Toward evening, we noticed some very unusual and large marks on our sonar from something that was apparently quite large and about 500 feet under the boat. Off in the distance, we could see a small pod of pilot whales resting on the surface, but didn't make the connection. Well, it's after dark, and they are back! Those large sonar echoes at 500 feet. This time, we can see the marks rising to the surface very rapidly, and in the pitch black of a cloudy, moonless night, we can hear the whales blow nearby. Now we know what a whale looks like on sonar. The next afternoon, we came across another small pod of pilot whales very close by, resting on the surface. We launched the Harmony Air Force to run over and get a closer look. There were several pods of pilot whales logging in the area. 2 were close to the boat, so we went to take a look with our drone. We hope you enjoy it.